Welcome to the Sykes & Company PA video blog featuring Ollin Sykes. As an accountant, is there something that you're looking for that shows you this pharmacy is healthy, the accounting is on track?
As of late, we want to make sure they have using the appropriate software. Mm-hmm. We've run into a number of pharmacies as of late that are using Quicken. It's amazing. You got multiple $1 million sales organizations that are running multiple operations in Quicken. And you would think that people would not be doing that, but it's, again, as simplistic as that seems, we've actually had a string of several as we run into. So it becomes a gigantic process to port that over into a cloud-based QuickBooks system. But it's very doable and it's workable. Whether the pharmacist has a perpetual inventory system tied into his script management system is crucial and key. Inventory is so crucial today with overnight inventories available with the price of brands just through the roof. For example, there's a Hep C couple of drugs out there that basically are a $1,000 per day regimen. I think the entire regimen is about $84,000. And with the exception of about 3 or 4% that pharmacist makes on that, everything else becomes cost of goods sold. So if the pharmacist is missing windows of purchase dates and reimbursement schedules on that, he has a huge cash flow issue. And if he's not monitoring and doesn't know exactly what he has on his shelf, and you've heard me mention this before, he has Benjamin Franklin sitting on his shelf, not Andrew Jackson's. And so, again, the cash flow is so intricately tied up to what that inventory level is and what the level of inventory turns are in that store. The typical NCPA store is turning 11 to 12 times a year on their inventory. But with next day inventory, you have to ask yourself, why some of the more successful stores turn it 15 to 20 times a year? They're doing that because they're effectively managing what's in the shelf. They have adherence programs that maybe tie all of one person's scripts together into one day of collection, and they know that in advance and can plan for that in advance, and maybe even plan for one delivery of a whole series of meds to one patient. But all these things collectively tell you about the health and the direction that pharmacy is heading.
Thank you for joining us today. If you want more information or have any questions, please feel free to contact Ollin directly.